When you purchase a DVD video class, you will instantly get the files to download of the printable handout and poster. The first page of the handout can be printed in color or you can print it in black. The rest of the file can be printed in black. The file includes 5 freezer recipes that are discussed in class, and the last page has printable labels that can be taped on the freezer bags. The last page of the poster file is the invitations that can be customized for your class. There are 4 invitations on this page, and you can print it in color, so you just need to print the number of copies that you need. The rest of the poster file should be printed in color, and it is designed to cut around the pictures, and then you can tape them on a poster board or a whiteboard. I like to laminate these pages and reuse the pictures and the border again for a different class or activity. The instructions are on the first page of the file. These files were designed to help you be prepared for the freezer video class, and they're really easy to use.